Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am going to start lesson 7. Name of a lesson is the contest. What is our lesson name here? The contest. Before going to the explanation part, let me explain you the meaning of contest. First you should, as I mentioned you in my previous videos also, first lesson meaning you should be aware of that. You should be aware of the meaning of lesson so that you can understand lesson very clearly. So what is the meaning of contest? Let me explain you. An event in which people compete for supremacy in a sport or other activity. Got it? It's the event in which people compete themselves, right? So that thing comes under contest. Let me show you the pronunciation of supremacy. Listen the pronunciation, supremacy.
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 Got it? Now the meaning of supremacy. The state or condition of being superior to all others in authority, power or status. Got it? The state or condition of being superior to all others in authority, power or status. Got it? With this, with the help of this clip, you got to understand the perfect meaning of our lesson. Now let us start the lesson. It is a story of long ago. It is a story of long ago. The people of the group of village also choose a common headman. They always choose a common headman in the village to help them in their problems. What for they used to choose common headman? To help them in their problems. They call their headman the governor. What they call them? They called the headman the governor. Once the old governor fell very ill. He is ill it seems. Once what happened? The old governor fell very ill. So they decided to choose a new governor. So they decided to choose a new governor. The wisest man in the region should be our new governor, said the people. Now, the discussion is going on among the people. What they said? The wisest man in the region should be our new governor, said the people. But they left a magician in one of those villages. So, but what happened here? One of the magicians lives in that village, it seems. He proclaimed that he proclaimed that he, being the wisest man in all villages, should be the new governor. What he proclaimed? That I am the wisest person in this all villages and I am a new governor for you all. No one dared to argue with the magician. Argue, present tense, argued, past tense. So no one dared. D-A-R-E-D, dared. Circle it also, children. Dared. No one dared to argue with the magician. The villagers feared that he could turn anyone into a pig or a flower pot. What villagers, they are having fear of what the magician can change a person into pig or else a flower pot if he wished. If he wished, then he can change anyone into anything. So it was fearfully agreed that the magician would be a new governor. It is fearfully agreed, it seems, that the magician would be a new governor. Nobody could say a word until the milkmaid spoke to a laundress. Meaning of laundress, let me explain you the pronunciation too.
Laundress.
What it mentioned here, listen carefully. What it's saying?
Laundress.
Laundress, a woman who is employed to launder clothes. Got it? Now, milkmaid is what to say? Milkmaid spoke to a laundress. What they are talking? What was the conversation? Let us find out. That magician is a fraud, she said. Who said here? Milkmaid. Got it? That magician is a fraud, she said. He couldn't change a frog into a man or a man into a frog. He can't do that. Who said? Milkmaid said to laundress. He can't change a frog into a man or a man into a frog. He says he's the wisest person in all the land. But he loses his spectacles when they are on his nose. He can't even remember to put on his shoes before he goes out. He can't remember to put on his shoes before he goes out. He don't remember anything. Then how come he will be a wisest person, and what is the role he will play as a governor? These two ladies are talking about that, and you can see clearly in the picture a cobbler is listening to their conversation. It's not clear to that cobbler what they are talking, but he's listening. He's trying to listen clearly. Dared, meaning of dared, had the courage. You don't have dared. Usually we use this word. Do you have or don't have? In this way we use dared. Laundress, a woman who washes and irons household clothes. Meaning of laundress is here mentioned very clearly and easily. A woman who washes and irons household clothes. With this, I explain the half of our lesson. So your duty, whatever words I underline here, work on that to improve your reading. Anyhow, you all are aware of that. How to improve your reading? Give at least 15 to 20 minutes for reading purpose so that you can improve a lot. Work on your vocabulary. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.